My name's Jamey Gaston. I'm the Vice President of Quality Science and Regulatory at Midlab Incorporated. Midlab, we have a long history, over 40-year history, as a premier supplier of cleaning and industrial maintenance chemicals. Our motto is Think Clean. Think Clean goes beyond the product, a whole holistic approach to helping our customers brand and do what they do best. How do we help people find cleaning products that perform well and contain safer ingredients for the human environment? There's really two main ways that I think. The number one, look for products that have a third-party eco certification. You know, the most popular ones are EPA Safer Choice. You also have Green Seal. You also have UL Eco Logo. In Europe, you have Nordic Swan. But also, if it's not third-party certified, look for ingredient transparency avoid using products that have very vague words such as surfactant or, builder. Avoid products. Look at the SDS so you see if a product has a very high pH or very low pH. Make sure that your employees or whoever are aware of those types of products. And then what can industry do to promote healthier and sustainable cleaning practice? Big thing is training. You have a lot of people coming into the industry that English may not be their first language, and making sure that the training translates over to them. Work with companies that provide that type of training. Midlab, for example, does that. We have our PLUS Label System, which is a patented labeling program using icons versus very wordy descriptions on how to use the product, the safety parameters of the product. So those are my recommendations.